Are you a big Nintendo guy? Did you ever goof with Nintendo at all?
Well, obviously when I was a kid, but not now. Even Switch, I didn't play very much.
Yeah. I've been following this development.
Oh, dude, I watched a YouTube video on this.
It's bizarre,
It's
right?
so... It's cool, but at the same time, it's something feels weird about it.
Yeah, because it...
Right?
Because you see, the footage I saw was from far away.
Okay.
It was like a spy camera when they were first opening the thing.
Okay, okay.
And it looked like a video game occurring in real life.
Right.
Do you know what I mean? It's just there's something about the Nintendo stuff that the way they did the shadows,
yeah,
and
the art style,
the cartooniness of it,
yeah,
they really nailed the video game happening in real life effect.
Right.
Anyway, they put a lot of time and energy into it, but they had all kinds of COVID-related delays. And eventually, they've come on the other side of it, and they are going to be opening. Let's see what it says here. After not one, but 2 delays, Super Nintendo World, by the way, this is in Japan, will finally open today. Lines started forming at 6:30 a.m.
I would absolutely go to this thing if I was in Japan.
Oh, you would? Okay.
Absolutely.
See, I wasn't sure.
For my kids, though.
Of course.
Right? I feel like they would appreciate it. My wife loves Super Mario.
It's a brand. Mario
I mean,
is
this
a
is
big
such an
brand.
experience. Like, where else are you going to experience this? You can't.
No,
you got to be there.
I think it's the first of its kind, actually. I mean, we've seen amusement parks, obviously, for
right.
variety.
But not Nintendo.
Not Nintendo. It's,
yeah.
I think it's the first of its kind. I don't know if they have plans to do any more of them. But, yeah, the attractions look really cool. I agree with you. I mean, look at the restaurant.
Right? It's so heavily themed.
That's awesome.
But if you're going to do it, you got to do it like this. You can't half-ass it. It's got to look just like this. They clearly put effort into it.
Oh, no, they put tremendous effort, and they kept getting screwed up with all those delays. But I agree with you. I would give it a shot for sure. Apparently, waits for some of the rides are up to 50 minutes. So it's hot right now, but of course it would be. There's a video at the bottom, Will, which might be cool to check a little fragment of the video at the bottom if you don't mind. Yeah, go for it. Universal Studios Japan's Super Nintendo World.
See, there was a part of me, though, and I feel like you should warn your audience here that if you ever plan on doing this, maybe by watching this video, you're going to take away from the experience when you do go.
Oh.
You know what I mean? That's a big part of it.
Yeah,
because this is, you only get to see it once, and then it's cool, right?
You're absolutely correct. I think, however, though, the state of the world right now and how
they're
hard...
never gonna... Yeah,
well,
okay.
I'm not going to say they're never going to go, but I would just say that I think videos serve a purpose right now for people
I get you.
that are unable to...
No, I get you. But seeing this, so I've seen a video on it once.
Yeah.
And the first time I saw it, I was like, wow, that is so cool. But seeing it now for the second time, it's already lost a huge part of its
This applies to
charm.
everything, Dave.
But especially with Super Nintendo World.
Yeah, I guess it's also the robot aspect. Like all these little robots moving around that are so consistent with their movements. Anyway, very cool. So it's open. So I don't know, whenever we can go to Japan, we'll go check that out.